We are Team SwabFilth. The problem statement that we have chosen is pollution monitoring. Okay, what, how, who, and why is what I want to address. What is this? They are smart industrial chimneys trying to combat the pollution crisis today, especially taking in the PM 2.5 and PM 10 particulate matters, which are really hazardous. And how we are doing it is basically through a IoT model, which will be fixed in the chimneys. We have the chimneys where we have the roof of the chimneys will be having air pockets. Inside the air pockets, we'll be having the sensors placed so that the air acts as an insulator. And in the air pockets, we will have holes which acts as a semi-permeable membrane, and only the particulate matter will be going into it, and the hazards to the sensor will be less. And who is going to be benefited out of this is the general public and industries. I'll tell you how the industries are in the next. Okay, what is the customer problems? As I said, because of the inhaled effects, they have the health problems and also affects the environment very greatly. And why this should be done is industry is being lethargic towards the environment. And this could be the periodic inspections which could occur automatically. And this is the PM10 and PM 2.5 and how much the industries contribute towards this. We've done a case study on this in our city, the CITCO group of industries. They've given us data. And this is the current scenario in which all the red marked places are highly polluted in the world. And they've told 50 cities is the topmost polluted, and India has 22 of them, which is really a sad thing. And the solution to this will be regular monitoring and alert, emission dashboard diagnostics, and if the norms are violated twice, until twice the notification goes to the user, that is the industry person, and if not, it goes to the authority telling this industry is violating the norms. And why SwabFilth? Why this solution? We monitor nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide. Nitrous oxide at a ppm of 25 is very hazardous. We keep the threshold there. And SO2 in the ppm of 5 is very hazardous. And PM 2.5 and 10, pollution law violations, as I told you. And the chimney performance monitoring can also be done by this device. And the type of fuels and chemicals which could be used, which could result in the emission of these gases, can also be analyzed using the relations, and predictions can be made on it. And even other alternative resources which could give the same amount of energy could also be suggested to the user. And it has an auto-regulated chamber in the top, which can see the density of the air which is there for swirling out and in for letting the air passages. And as I told you, the air pockets with pilot holes for making it air efficient. We can use bagas for the coolant agent over there. And we have the one M2M integrated because of its common set of service layer capabilities. And the sensors are present at the strategic points of the chimneys because it is more efficient there, and the efficiency and the maintenance is also easier. So what is the value that we could give to the environment is prevent respiratory diseases from occurrence, renewable energy promotions to the government and suggested to the industries also, and performance analysis. And this is the competitive advantage. So because of this kind of the technology which you use, in which the maintenance is less, it's really a very big business profit. And the present solution is there are dust collectors, filters, blowers, the gravity settling chambers, the cyclone separators. All these are used currently in the industry. And the result of that is this, which the CITCO gave us. Using all this, it's still the particulate matter and nitrous oxide is still in this rate, which isn't at all efficient. So the scalability we've done in the rates of Coimbatore, Hyderabad and India, the number of industry, and say one chimney per industry, and how many chimneys could be sold per industries. And the growth opportunity, we can have a basic, pro and premium from small scale industries to medium and large.
Time is over.
Yeah. So this is all. In the future goals, we try to see an excellent environment performance with integrated smartness.